Engineering சாதிக்க சென்னை இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் டெக்னாலஜி தமிழ்நாட்டின் நம்பர் 2 காலேஜ் in Anna University result admissions open.
Lindo homemade skin and hair care products prepared with love.
Nikki, Hand It's Gold movie challenge பத்தி கேள்விப்பட்டியா?
ஓ தெரியும்.
65 நிமிஷத்துக்கு மேல படம் இருக்கணும். இது ஷார்ட் ஃபிலிம் கிடையாது.
ஓ தெரியும்.
எக்ஸைட்டிங்கான கேஷ் பிரைசஸ்?
ஓ தெரியும்.
எல்லாமே தெரியுமா?
எஸ் தெரியும், எனக்கு தெரியும். உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும்னா இந்த வீடியோ ஃபுல்லா கம்ப்ளீட்டா பாருங்க. அப்படி இல்லனா
டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்கிற லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணி டீடைல்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க.
That's all.
Sardar ka grandson. Such an amazing fantasy quality, you get to live vicariously through all these worlds. So I've been a college student even without ever attending college. I've played a 70s ka gangster.
To Rakul Preet ma'am, it's your second collaboration with Arjun Kapoor sir. This question is for all three of you. Who is Gently Gentle?
Great fun collaborating with her, and I think she got the sur bang on because she made Sardar.
I think the only technical difference that I do find in working in Telugu, Tamil as opposed to Hindi is that there we have this 9 to 6 call sheet where we pack up at 6 o'clock in the evening, start early and you roll at 9 in the morning. So in Hindi, it's not that. It's a 9 to 9 where you come in at 9, you start shooting by 10:30, 11 and you go till 9. So you're actually working 12 hours there and here also, but you start earlier in the south. In fact, initially when I started in Dhiran, it's actually one of my most favorite roles of mine also. If I have to pick it in my top 3 films of mine, it's Dhiran is one of them.
Lakshmi Manchu ma'am and you are really good friends, and she's mentioned that you will be getting married this year. Arjun Kapoor, Ajit Kumar. So, it's AK and AK.
No,
and also father
there are too
also
many
done
other.
the film with Ajit Kumar. You'll have your arms and you'll have your legs, you'll have your eyes and you'll have your mouth, but you'll not be alive. That's the dialogue.
Okay,
What a dialogue! What a dialogue!
Muli irukum,
ஆனா உயிர் இருக்காது. Cinema lovers-க்கும் cinema நண்பர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். This is Raja and today we have the cast and the director of Sardar Ka Grandson. வணக்கம் அர்ஜுன் கபூர் சார், வணக்கம் ரகுல் பிரீத் மேம் அண்ட் வணக்கம் காஷல் நாயர். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கீங்க. நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க means how are you guys?
I agree. Correct. Fantastic. Superb.
Everything she said.
Yes. Say whatever she said, it's correct. Whatever you said, it's fantastic.
So Radha
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க means how are you?
say at least that. I think Arjun, you should try saying that once.
Yeah, you can say
what?
நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
Huh?
Say
எப்படி
எப்படி
இருக்கீங்க
இருக்கீங்க?
means how are you?
எப்படி
Okay, you
இருக்கீங்க?
can say நல்லா இருக்கேன். நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
What does that mean?
That
Nalla
means
in
I'm
Hindi doesn't
doing
mean
well.
what it means in Tamil.
Nalla
Nalla is
Nalla
useless
is
in Hindi,
useless.
just by the way.
Okay,
நல்லா
first of
இருக்கு.
all, congratulations to you, Arjun Kapoor sir. It's been 9 years of you in the industry.
Thank
As
you
an
so much, sir.
May 11, 2012 was your first film, right? It's
Yes.
Completed your 9 years. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How does it feel? 9 years in the industry.
I feel old. If you're asking me a very honest answer, I feel rather old suddenly. I also realized I've done about this is my 14th release, Sardar Ka Grandson. So I do feel I've come of age in many ways, but it feels overwhelming to be given the love and respect and the adulation to be able to continue making movies, being part of good films, and being part of a profession that has such an amazing fantasy quality. You get to live vicariously through all these worlds. So I've been a college student even without ever attending college. I've played a 70s ka gangster. I've played a driver of a car in Goa. Now I get to play this NRI grandson who fulfills his grandmother's wish. So
And also a truck
I cannot, and also a truck driver, yes, by default. But Rakul ma'am did a better job of the driving than I did. But I feel very grateful. I think you feel grateful at a time like this, especially that you can entertain people and put a smile on their faces. And I've been doing it for 9 years.
I think you said you feel old, but actually watching the film, I didn't actually see you as old in the first song, and that too in the first song while you were eating, while you're in the grief of your girlfriend being gone, you're eating that chocolate pudding or whatever it is. You're engulfing the grief. It so looks like a small kid, trying to engulf grief with whatever.
But that again, I will take 5% credit for that from Kashmi because I said why do girls always in every romantic comedy? I have noticed. Raja, have you noticed this? I'm sure everybody watching will agree. Normally, girls eat ice cream and they have tissues in front and they're crying and they're watching Notting Hill,
Exactly.
or they're watching a Julia Roberts film and saying, "Why are guys like this? They left me and went away." I said, "Why can't a guy be as emotionally available to showcase his emotions and crying
Very-
and blowing his nose and sitting and watching a rom-com and feeling bad that my partner is not with me?" So my director allowed me to do nonsense like this, and I'm glad you noticed my nonsense and enjoyed.
That was very well evident, it was very well evident. And that was the first thing that sparked in my mind. The first question when I was watching the film was this planned or it just happened because it's AK there, Arjun Kapoor there?
I kept reminding her we must do it, and she finally gave in and said, "Yeah, it's funny, do it."
So yes, coming to Rakul Preet ma'am, it's your second collaboration with Arjun Kapoor sir. So
No, it's my
second?
first.
It's-
Penny
Oh, the
on
song.
the-
The song, he's counting the song.
Oh, the song,
Yes.
the music video, you mean?
Exactly. This is your second association with Arjun Kapoor sir. When you saw him for the first time, there would have been a difference of as in the equation would have been different. And now, after completing a film, an entire film, like you may, like 40, 30 days of shoot. And now, how is it with him?
So I think I'll say that with Arjun, you break the ice on day one. There's never a change of equation. And also the song was after the film. So I met him first time for the film, and then the music video that you're talking about was much later. We shot actually in February.
2 months back.
But
2 months back.
yeah. But Arjun is somebody who is actually a very easy person to sort of gel with. And he'll non-stop keep cracking a lot of jokes. He'll keep pulling people's leg, your leg. He's just this non-stop entertainment on set. So it's very difficult to not actually get along with Arjun. And I think in the first 1-2 days, it was, it just was very simple. So there's no difference as such. And obviously, when you keep working with somebody or, you've spent a considerable amount of days, it just becomes easy and you can just say whatever you want to say. The first one day you're thinking, okay, because you also judge and weigh whether the other person's okay to, because I like to just keep laughing on set and, keep a easy vibe on set, and so does Arjun. So it was pretty easy and simple.
Nice. So, okay, this question is for all three of you. Who is gently gentle in real life?
I'm definitely I'm gently mental. I don't know about gently gentle. But
Who
Rakul's
is gently
gently
gentle? You, ma'am.
gentle.
Kashyap, ma'am.
Rakul's gently. Oh. Yeah,
I think-
Arjun's gently mentally for sure.
There you go. I'm gently.
I'm mentally. Rakul is gently, basically.
So, since you said mentally, I want to ask this question. Did you actually fall off from the dining table when you were small?
So there are moments where I believe that this is autobiographical. This film. But the more I'm answering questions, it does
Exactly.
seem
That is why my
autobiographical.
question is coming. That is why my question.
Yeah. I need to check with my family members if anybody purposely dropped me on the head. Yeah.
I think this you should definitely check by now, Arjun. 100%
Yeah, I'll
you should
have
check.
to. Today it has been asked so often. Today is the day where I'm feeling like my family ne kuch chupaya mujhse. I need to check with them.
Yeah.
There's something really happened there. I think you should
Yeah,
just you should go sit with your dad and
100%.
say, please tell me that. I need to know this truth of my
Yeah.
life. Please tell me.
Yeah.
So, Kashyap ma'am, one important thing about this film is the idea of transporting a home. It was something very new. At least to the film industry, it was very new. So how did you come up with this?
So the inception actually comes from an article where a builder basically moved a house from Kerala to Manesar, but he built it brick by brick. So we kind of Googled it and we came across the process of structural relocation, and we realized, the image of a house on a truck just sticks with you. It doesn't leave you very easily. And as we did more research, we figured it's actually a very common practice. We have a lot of temples that are moved in India, etc. And taking the concept of a house, all of us have attachments to houses, whether, the childhood memories, the childhood home, or the one place of displacement in our country and in our history is partition. And when you read stories about partition, you always hear the fact that, at the end of the day, one thing that they all yearn for is to go back home, just to see their house for one time, whether it's from India to Pakistan or Pakistan to India. Everybody shares that same emotion. And just weaving both these things, these thoughts together is where we created the thought, the emotion behind the film technically. And yeah, from there it snowballed into becoming this story about these mad characters who try to fulfill this. I mean, yeah, it does sound. I think it. I mean, every time I narrated the one line of the story also to everybody, I think they've all turned around and said, "Listen, is this possible, or is this a Bollywood version of things?" And I had to open my laptop or my phone and show them a video. See, it's possible, exactly like how Amrik does. So taking these things, which we actually ended up doing in reality to convince people, we try to put that into the film as well, so that we can, easily try and ease people into the fact that yes, it is a possibility. No, I was talking about using two countries. Honestly, I think to some extent, whether it would have been, I mean, we could have used two states as well or any such thing. The location of the fact that it's two different countries works for us only because of the history of partition.
Hey, if you use two states, then I would be a shoo-in for this role anyways.
I saw that coming. I knew this.
I really
was gonna
did.
come.
So,
I didn't know this. I was like, so he's going to comment something on two states for sure.
why not? Why not? When he can take that credit for that particular name, two states.
Absolutely.
So coming to the storyline, you might have definitely undergone a lot of research and talked to a lot of people. How difficult was it to listen to their stories?
I think I've cried every day, listening to every time you read a story of partition, whether it's a happy memory or a sad memory, or it's just, there's some stories where you just have them saying 3 lines and then there's silence because they just can't get that emotion out. And every time I've read a story or heard or watched a video, I have cried. I have cried like buckets, quite literally. And I think somewhere down the line, that kind of affected me to make sure that that emotion of what they feel is what we try and capture in the film.
That's very heavy-hearted answer. So yes, next to Arjun Kapoor. So your equation with Neena Gupta ma'am in the film was beautiful. Ma'am was amazing. I just miss that. I mean, she's not here available. But how good was it with her, the association?
Fantastic. Yeah, I got very lucky. This is the second time I got to work with her. I did a film called Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, which came out recently, which me and she shared screen space. But this one was far more involved emotionally because we had to play grandmother and grandson. But I think because the ice was broken in the last film, there was an ease, there was a comfort because the writing was so solid. We both could just coexist and have fun with each other, with the scenes, with the dialogues, with the energy that was already written in. And she's a full team player. I think I really respect that about her. She was not only interested in what she's doing, but she was always excited about making the scene better by trying different takes, different versions, always a willing learner. She's almost like a student more than an actor, which is always a nice quality to have as a co-actor. Means that makes you feel humble about your job and your profession, and you also put in the same amount of effort. So great fun collaborating with her. And I think she got the sur bang on because she made Sardar naughty and vulnerable. And yeah, she made her Sardar. She made her come alive. She was naughty, vulnerable, stern, yet lovable. So she just gave it her all, and it really reflects in her performance. She's fantastic in the film.
I love the straightforward answers between you and her. The straightforward exchange of answers between you and her. I love that. Wherever it came, I just loved it.
Well, I have to. That credit goes to our writers, the dialogue writers, and of course, I guess it's such a new equation to see. Normally, you see in Hindi films, we see a lot of overt amount of respect created between the older generation and the younger generation. There's always love, but there's a lot of respect and regard for how to conduct yourself around your elders. That conduct in this film is slightly thrown out the window. We both share a drink together and talk about life and girlfriend and stuff about she makes fun of the fact that she dropped me as a child, and she's ready to always yank my chain, and I'm ready to react and give it back to her. So it's like two friends bickering,
Nice. That was very lively to see, and that too when you come back from US, and the first question she asks is, "Abhi to bata de kya ho gaya?"
Yeah, she and the good part is, it was not forced. All of it was written in, and we were able to perform it. And I guess that's what grandparents or parents or family members, they can sense when something is wrong. So the way she played it in that scene also, and just generally overall, she made my life much, much, much simpler by just being so good as Sardar.
Oh, nice. Rakulpreet ma'am, you've been performing in Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi now. In all three languages, you're well versed. As in, you've done good films. That's what I mean by well versed. So, how different is each industry?
Oh wow. I think it's not the industries that are as such different. I've been asked this question many a times, and I've not really been able to release a good team or a bad team. It's people who know their work or they don't know their work, irrespective of the language that it is. I think the only technical difference that I do find in working in Telugu, Tamil, as opposed to Hindi, is that there we have this 9 to 6 call sheet where we pack up at 6 o'clock in the evening. You start early and you roll at 9 in the morning. So you're actually working the same. You come at 7 o'clock and you pack up at 6 o'clock. So you give those 12 hours. But in Hindi, it's not that. It's a 9 to 9 where you come in at 9, you start shooting by 10:30, 11, and you go till 9. So you're actually working 12 hours there and here also. But you start earlier in the South. I think the technical difference as such that I've seen. Otherwise, more or less, it's been a great experience, both the industry, all three industries, and actually similar way of working everywhere. Yeah.
I loved
In
your
fact,
role.
initially when I started
Sorry?
in Dhiran, thank you.
It was so beautiful. That role was so beautiful, and the film became a big hit. But personally, for me, your role was amazing.
It's actually one of my most favorite roles of mine also. If I have to pick it in my top 3 films of mine, it's Dhiran is one of them.
Right. Kashif Nair, ma'am, casting for the film has been, I think, one of the very important factors for the film's success would be casting for the film, especially Chote character. I don't know where did he I love that fellow from the beginning. From the beginning, is he some kind of a metaphor or something that he keeps coming and like helping?
He's a big guardian angel because he needed one for that. But yeah,
There's a lot more of Chote and I think Chote and Amrik can be a comic book actually, the way we fight with each other.
Exactly.
we can make a spin-off.
Yeah.
Like we said, we really tried to do our best with the casting in the sense we wanted to try and find new faces. Want to try and make, again, the characters are written so ordinary and everyday people. We wanted to make sure that we do justice to that when you cast as well. Whether it's Meena ma'am playing Sardar, because also what we've tried to do is somewhere down the line, find people who are like our characters as actors and also try and imbibe a lot of their characteristics into the character as well while performing. So even if it's Chote, and to some extent he is like that. And the minute you put Arjun and him together, in the first 5 minutes, they just started off at this equation of 2 children bickering. So even when you were trying to explain the scene to them, they were doing their own thing anyway. So you find that equation with them. And yeah, I think everybody, lots of it goes off to the casting director, Kavish, who put his heart and soul into the film and literally casted mad amount of casting that we've done. And we try to get all of them to, seem like a very nice, happy Punjabi family.
Nice. So next is to Rakulpreet ma'am. Lakshmi Manchu ma'am has mentioned, I know, we all know that Lakshmi Manchu ma'am and you are really good friends, and she's mentioned that you will be getting married this year. So what's your
I don't know where, I have called her yesterday. And said, I'll tell you one thing. I have called her yesterday because I saw this article and I said, what is this? And she has laughed because this has not come from her. Okay, so this is an article which is just tagged. I said, when you know that who am I getting married to, please tell me also, because I am way too single in life. So we have actually had a laugh on this yesterday. So when she knows and when you all know, you all please tell me also. All the chances are also sitting in the house. I'm so locked down.
Jot down the requirements. No, you just jot down the requirements of a perfect guy.
I am
Opposite
going
of
to stop
Amrik.
jotting down I am going to stop jotting down all these requirements because I'm done. There are only videos of me saying, oh, I want this, and ultimately there was lockdown 1.0 and now 2.0 and nothing's going to happen. I'm in my house. So now I'm only going to give it to the universe. So that's about it.
They'll take care. Whoever is on top, they'll take care. Yeah, let's see. Have you ever wanted to do a South Indian film, a Tamil film?
It would be very unfair if I decide that I would want to do it. I don't know the languages, but like Rakul has shown, she's managed to learn quite fast. So if somebody considers casting me, I have to work hard on that aspect. I have to learn either Tamil, Telugu, whether it's Malayalam or Kannada. I'm not averse to experimenting, but I don't know if how easy or difficult is it? Yeah, Rakul would be better at answering or helping me.
You
Actually,
know,
how easy or
everything-
difficult would it be?
It's not that difficult. Ultimately, firstly, initially, everything will sound similar, but then it's not that difficult because actually it's pretty easy to pick it up. I didn't know a word, yeah, Arjun. And actually, you look at Alia talking in Telugu, yeah. She's
Yeah,
been
so
doing a
looking at Alia
fantastic
talking
job,
gives me a little bit of confidence. Yeah.
or promoting Triple R and doing those monologues of releasing content of Triple R. I was like, wow, she's speaking in Telugu so fluently.
It's just a
So I
matter
No,
of
think
time.
we
I
can
think.
all do it.
honestly, Raja, I would be happy to consider it. I would actually feel honored and privileged that I get to work across our state borders and experiment and meet new minds, because I really respect and regard the Tamil and the Telugu industry and the Kannada Malayalam industry also. I mean, when you say South, I hate just calling it South, because I feel every industry has unique personalities, characters, stories, and
I agree.
I would love to learn a lot more about not only the actors but the technicians, the storytellers. So I'm always open to interacting. Perhaps with my father's connection with the South fraternity, and by that I mean we've remade so many films. He's been somebody who's been very close to that part of our country, and even now he's had Vakil Sahab release. Before that, he's just done a film with Ajit sir. He's always been very, very close to that part of our country, and I really regard and respect the vision of storytellers from that side. So it would be something that is, now that you mention it, would appeal to me a lot. And I do feel, if I may say so myself, I feel I'm designed also that I would be able to pull off that front-footed mainstream performance also, and maybe learn a little bit more about different cultures. So why not? I would really be actually happy to experiment.
We would be happy to see you too. I think it's just a matter of 2 or 3 months, and you will be well versed in a language.
Well, listen, I have the beard, which apparently really helps. So I think I'm
Nice. So okay, Arjun Kapoor, Ajit Kumar. So it's AK and AK,
No,
and
well,
also
there are
fathers
too
also
many
done
other.
a film with Ajit Kumar, sir. So
Yeah.
we want you to just tell a line. Okay, I'll just tell a line from one of his films. It's his dialogue. Okay, I'll just tell a line. You will have to repeat that.
Oh God, this Ajit sir. Firstly, I love the fact that I've had the pleasure of speaking to him on the phone a couple of times. Don't make me repeat his line. Yeah, he'll stop talking to me.
No, we'll try. No, he's a big sport. He'll laugh at it.
Okay,
try.
so let's try without making a mistake.
Yeah, we have Rakul we have Rakul ma'am to help us.
Yeah, so if Rakul allows me, if I say it right, only then will we keep it in the edit. I think Rakul has to say, okay, this works, only then will it be allowed.
Okay, done.
Okay,
Okay, done.
so, okay, I'll go word by word.
Okay.
Udambla,
First, tell me what it means. Whatever
Okay,
this
it
line
means-
is. What is
okay,
the full line?
it means he says you'll have your arms and you'll have your legs, you'll have your eyes and you'll have your mouth, but you'll not be alive. That's the dialogue.
Okay, but
What a dialogue! What a dialogue! What a dialogue!
which film is it from?
Udambla,
Udamla.
கை இருக்கும் கால் இருக்கும்
Kai irukum, kaal irukum.
மூக்கு இருக்கும்
Mook irukum.
முழி இருக்கும்
Muli irukum.
ஆனா
Ana.
உயிர் இருக்காது.
Uyar ilkadam. It's very
Ah,
difficult
nice.
to understand the enunciation without having physical communication here.
So yeah, Kashyap ma'am, one last question to you. That when we see John there, he looks like the huge man. Did he actually put up a lot of weight for the movie? He actually looked like a rock. I don't know what to describe. He looked huge. One hand of his could cover entire Aditi Rao Hydari's ma'am's face.
No, I think John's physicality has always been what it is. And I think we just styled him in the right way to make him feel a little, from that era and all of it. So I think it just fit right.
Nice. Okay, thank you so much, everybody, and
you.
congratulations. The movie
Thank
is really
you.
doing good, and hope for all the successes, and hope you do much more and many more films.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Raja. Thank you.
Yes, bye.
താരാ ബിഹൈൻഡ് ഷോർട്ട് ഫിലിം കോൺടെസ്റ്റ് ഈ വർഷം ഉണ്ടോ?
பிஹைண்ட் ஷார்ட் ஃபிலிம் கான்டெஸ்ட் இந்த வருஷம் கிடையாது. பட் அதுக்கு பதிலா பிஹைண்ட் இட்ஸ் கோல்ட் மூவி சேலஞ்ச் அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயம் புதுசா பண்றாங்க.
மூவி சேலஞ்சா? அப்படின்னா
எடுக்கிற ஒரு படமும் 65 நிமிஷத்துக்கு மேல கண்டிப்பா இருக்கணுமா?
65 நிமிஷத்துக்கு மேலயா?
ஆமாண்டா, இது ஷார்ட் ஃபிலிம் இல்ல.
சரி, அப்படி எடுத்துட்டா
எக்ஸைட்டிங்கான கேஷ் பிரைசஸ் இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரைஸ் 10 lakhs, செகண்ட் பிரைஸ் 5 lakhs, தேர்ட் பிரைஸ் 3 lakhs. இது மட்டும் இல்ல, இதை தவிர ஸ்பெஷல் மென்ஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி 10 பேரை செலக்ட் பண்ணி அவங்களுக்கு 2 lakhs கேஷ் கொடுக்குறாங்க.
அப்போ டோட்டலி 13 அவார்டா?
எஸ், 13 பேருக்கு எக்ஸைட்டிங்கான கேஷ் பிரைசஸ் இருக்கு. கிளம்புறியா?
எடுக்கிறோம்.
அவன் எடுக்கிறது இருக்கட்டும். உங்களுக்கு இதை பத்தி மேலும் டீடைல்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா கீழே இருக்கிற டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்கிற லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. எடுத்துருவான் போல இருக்கு.
என்ஜினியரிங்கில் சாதிக்க சென்னை இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் டெக்னாலஜி தமிழ்நாட்டின் நம்பர் 2 காலேஜ் இன் அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி ரிசல்ட். அட்மிஷன்ஸ் ஓப்பன்.
Lindo, homemade skin and hair care products prepared with love.